Sean "Diddy" Combs has taken a bold step in his ongoing legal battles by filing a $50 million defamation lawsuit against Courtney Burgess, an individual who has accused him of serious misconduct, and his attorney, Ariel Mitchell. The lawsuit claims that Burgess and Mitchell fabricated allegations regarding the existence of sex tapes involving Diddy and minors. This legal action is part of Diddy's broader strategy to confront those who have spoken out against him, as he reportedly intends to pursue lawsuits against all alleged victims who have made claims against him. According to court documents obtained by E! News, the lawsuit arises from statements made by Burgess during a September 27th appearance on News Nation. During this broadcast, Burgess claimed to possess videos that purportedly depict Diddy engaged in sexual acts with both celebrities and minors. In addition to Burgess, Diddy is also suing Ariel Mitchell and Nexstar Media Group, the parent company of News Nation, for allegedly propagating these claims about the purportedly incriminating videos. The lawsuit, filed in the Southern District of New York on January 22nd, alleges that all parties involved participated in a coordinated scheme to fabricate and disseminate outrageous lies about Diddy. The suit claims that these falsehoods were intended to gain social media fame for Burgess and Mitchell, while simultaneously damaging Diddy's reputation, livelihood, and right to a fair trial. The legal documents paint a picture of a calculated effort to exploit Diddy's celebrity status for personal gain. Diddy's legal team has reached out to Burgess, Mitchell, and News Nation for comments regarding the lawsuit, but has yet to receive a response. The lawsuit characterizes Mitchell and Burgess as social media protagonists who have spent months stoking a media frenzy, competing shamelessly for attention without regard for the truth. It details the significant reputational and economic harm that the alleged misinformation has inflicted on Diddy, who is currently incarcerated at the Brooklyn Metropolitan Detention Center, awaiting a trial set for May 5th on charges of sex trafficking, racketeering, and transportation for prostitution. Diddy has pleaded not guilty to all charges. The lawsuit also addresses the source of the alleged tapes, with Burgess claiming he received them from Diddy's late ex-girlfriend, Kim Porter, who passed away from lobar pneumonia in 2018. However, Diddy refutes these claims, asserting that Burgess has never met him or had any relationship with anyone in his family. This assertion raises questions about the credibility of Burgess's allegations and the motivations behind them. In a statement to E! News on January 23rd, Diddy's attorney, Erica Wolf, condemned the defendants for willfully fabricating and disseminating outrageous lies with reckless disregard for the truth. She emphasized that their falsehoods have poisoned public perception and contaminated the jury pool, warning that such intentional falsehoods undermining Diddy's right to a fair trial will no longer be tolerated. This statement underscores the seriousness with which Diddy's legal team is approaching the case, as they seek to protect his reputation and ensure a fair legal process. Back in November 2024, Burgess claimed to have access to 11 flash drives containing 8 so-called freak-off tapes, which he alleged were given to him by Kim Porter for safekeeping. These tapes reportedly show Diddy engaged in sexual activities with minors and 2 high-profile celebrities. Burgess stated that he handed these tapes over to the FBI after being subpoenaed to testify before a grand jury, providing descriptions of what he claimed to have witnessed on the recordings. During his testimony, Burgess indicated that out of the 8 celebrities recorded, 2 appeared to be underage, and all were allegedly intoxicated or under the influence of drugs during the encounters. He described the situation as one where all individuals involved were victims, suggesting that they were not fully aware of what was happening due to their inebriated state. This characterization of the events raises significant legal and ethical questions about consent and accountability. Diddy's legal team, led by attorneys Mark Agnifilo and Tiny Julos, has filed for a gag order against Burgess and other potential witnesses, requesting that they be prohibited from discussing anything related to Diddy. Following the gag order, Burgess was summoned back to court to testify again, indicating that the grand jury is still pursuing information related to the case. This move reflects the ongoing tension between Diddy's legal team and those making allegations against him. Ariel Mitchell, Burgess's attorney, expressed frustration with Diddy's legal maneuvers, stating that the aggressive legal filings reflect their awareness of the truth coming to light. She believes that Diddy is attempting to silence those who are revealing information about him, which adds another layer of complexity to the already intricate legal landscape. In a surprising twist, Diddy's sons, Christian and Quincy Combs, have also filed a cease and desist order against Burgess, demanding the copyright to their mother's memoir, which they claim is currently in FBI custody along with the alleged tapes. They argue that Burgess is attempting to profit from their mother's legacy without regard for her wishes. This family dynamic adds a personal dimension to the legal battles, as the sons seek to protect their mother's memory and intellectual property. The situation is further complicated by the fact that Burgess claims to own the rights to a book based on Kim Porter's alleged memoir. Reports indicate that Burgess's phone was seized by federal authorities, revealing a flash drive containing material related to the book. Christian and Quincy Combs are reportedly fighting back against Burgess, asserting their rights as heirs to their mother's intellectual property. This battle over the memoir highlights the ongoing struggle for control over Kim Porter's legacy and the potential financial implications for all parties involved. Interestingly, Diddy's legal team has previously acknowledged the existence of the Freak Off tapes in a separate lawsuit, but they dispute the claim that minors were involved, asserting that all activities were consensual. They argue that the individuals involved enjoyed themselves during the encounters, and that the premise of the tapes being exploitative is unfounded. This defense strategy raises questions about the nature of consent and the legal definitions surrounding sexual activity, particularly in high-profile cases involving celebrities. As the legal battles unfold, the public remains captivated by the drama surrounding Diddy, with many closely following the developments in his case. The combination of serious allegations, courtroom battles, and revelations from past associates has created a complex narrative that continues to evolve. The media frenzy surrounding the case has amplified the stakes for all involved, as public perception can significantly impact the legal proceedings. In a recent interview, Ariel Mitchell revealed that she has received death threats on behalf of her clients, including Burgess and other alleged victims. She noted that the threats have raised concerns about their safety, especially if Diddy were to be granted bail. Mitchell expressed confidence in the court's decision to keep Diddy incarcerated, emphasizing the apprehension felt by the victims involved. This climate of fear underscores the high stakes of the case and the potential consequences for those who dare to speak out against a powerful figure. The ongoing legal saga raises questions about the potential release of the alleged tapes and the implications for those involved. As more details emerge, the situation remains fluid, and the public is left to wonder how this high-profile case will ultimately unfold. With high-profile names, secret tapes, and ongoing lawsuits, this scandal is far from over, and the coming weeks are likely to bring further revelations. As the legal proceedings continue, the question remains, will these tapes ever see the light of day? The public is eager to hear your thoughts in the comments. The outcome of this case could have far-reaching implications not only for Diddy, but also for the broader conversation about accountability in the entertainment industry and the treatment of victims in high-profile cases. The intersection of celebrity culture, legal battles, and social media dynamics creates a complex landscape that will be closely monitored as the story develops. In conclusion, Diddy's legal troubles are emblematic of the challenges faced by public figures in the age of social media, where allegations can spread rapidly and impact reputations in profound ways. As the legal battles unfold, the stakes continue to rise and the public remains engaged in the unfolding drama. The coming months will be critical in determining the trajectory of Diddy's career and the broader implications for those involved in this high-profile case. Stay tuned for further updates as this story continues to develop.